Guys, I think I'm gonna give up. I post every day trying to make you happy. All I get is like maybe the most I've ever gotten is 1.9 views. Every day I post a video. You guys just pretend it's just another stupid creator scrolling past us, being stupid. Well, in reality, that's not how life is. I'm struggling, I'm trying to stay by. I'm staying by my grandma tonight because my mom and dad are at church praying. And me, I'm just sitting here trying to make videos because I'm bored. Want to maybe make a little money. And then every single night, I just get nothing. I try to make videos. I try to get a little more subscribers, and you guys just act like I'm not a YouTuber that's stupidly sitting there doing nothing. That's just all what I'm gonna say. I'm quitting. If you guys maybe could get a little more subscribers, I would appreciate it.